Good morning, beautiful people. Happy Monday.
No, man, you're supposed to be like, good morning, happy faces in sunshine.
So wait, my intro wasn't good enough.
Nah, it was good.
It wasn't good enough. It wasn't good enough.
Gotta be hype. It's Monday. It's time to get it, get the weekend
Get it
started.
cracking. Get it cracking.
Time to do it
Good
all over.
morning
Let's
once
go.
again. Happy people. What's good?
Yay. There we go. There we go.
So far, it's 10 o'clock, but we've been up since 6:45.
Yeah.
Trying to get the job done. We got the kids off to school. We got the little doggies with us. We ended up going to, what did we do so far? We did the laundry, all right? We knocked that off the list. We're about to go to Home Goods to kind of see what they have. We're trying to maximize this week, maximize this day, get up early all week, make the best of it,
We'll get it done.
and get it done. Because a lot of times you kind of wake up at your own leisure, and sometimes you have your little checklist, but you don't get everything done. You don't knock everything off your list. Instead, you end up, if you have 5 things, you might get 3 things on the agenda done. So that's not what we're going to do today. We're going to focus, and we're going to get it done, and we're going to have a new list every day, and we're going to check that list off and feel proud about it. You feel me? Maximize, maximize, maximize. That's the key word for the day. Anyway, like I said, we dropped the kids off to school, so I'm so happy about that. And the house is clean, so we ain't got to worry about that. And we're just going to spend some time just basically, like I said, just knocking some things out. Anyway, when I do get to Home Goods, we're going to turn the camera back on so you can see what they got.
Yeah, we got the car clean too. Not
Oh, yeah, that's what I know. I was forgetting something.
Whole...
We actually got the car detailed, cleaned early this morning after we dropped the kids off, so that's a good thing.
Right.
Looking clean, smelling good. I started trying out new cars since like the last 2 weeks, and I was watching Gina Janine's video, and she was like, try the rose. Shout out, girlfriend. She was like, try the rose thorn. Let's focus. Try the rose thorn. Try the rose thorn scent. Yeah, that may be better. That one right there. And so far, it smells pretty good. I also picked up summer linen. Looks like that. New car scent we've always been using. This is like hubby's favorite, I guess, for the moment. And Bayside Breeze. And we just got rid of the pink one. I forgot what the pink one was called. And Black Ice. We still know. As a matter of fact, we still got Black Ice hanging. So it's like a double situation going on. And we got the Saltwater Breeze fragrance mist. This is from Bed Bath & Body Works, actually. And that's about it. So like I said, the vehicle's smelling good. We're smelling good. Your girl is rocking Miss Dior. Quace is rocking now. No?
Rocking a whole bunch of good stuff over here. Right. Well, I said all this noise. Living in the city is definitely crazy.
Yeah. I don't know what he's talking about. Living in the city is where it is. Is where it's at.
It's after 10 o'clock and everything is in full rotation.
That's why we try to move to the burbs, because living in the city is where it's at. Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Nah, but living in the city does have its benefits as far as close proximity to everything.
Just everything being inconvenient.
Everything. And if you live like in a culturally diverse neighborhood, you have everything. You have access. Name it, you have it. That's the good thing. But other than that, it's like the negatives would be sometimes the noise factor. Like, especially if you're trying to record a video. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not no quiet Mary. But for us, it's more so like a time and place for everything. Anyway, we're about to pull up in Home Goods. I'll see you when we get up in there. Here's the thing, Tammy. You're not going to come in here and buy up a bunch of stuff. You came in here for accent pillows. You're going to stick to what you came for. Because I know me. You know how it is. When you go to Home Goods, you end up buying everything in Home Goods. And you come in here for one thing. I'm going to try to stick to, like I said, what I came in here for.
I got
about these. These are pretty. Those are nice. Wow, let's see what the price is. $29.99. $30. The camera doesn't want to focus, but take my word for it, it's $30.
Joanna, your busy body busy tonight. Joanna, making on the dummy tonight. Joanna, your busy body giving me life, oh, hey life, hey. Why you do me like Joanna, Joanna? Why you do me like Joanna, Joanna? How you gonna do me like Joanna, Joanna? Hey Joanna, Joanna. Ay, ay, ay. Hey, how you gonna play me like Drogba, ho? How you gonna do me like Drogba, ho?
I ended up going to Michael's, Target, and Zara. Yep, I sure did. And I ended up grabbing this right here. It's the guide for laundry stain removal. I think it's so cute. And it says basically, if you have a lipstick stain, you need to scrape off the excess, then rub it with mineral oil, followed by diluted ammonia, grease stain, juice, grass, and so on and so forth. They even have ink and blood. I was like, this is crazy. Chocolate, baby stains, crayons and stuff. And this is what it looks like. So I plan, of course, on putting this in the laundry room. And this, how much did it cost? $30, $29.99. I don't know if it was this vlog or the other vlog where I mentioned to you that I wanted to kind of like find some Easter or spring decor to kind of change the, you know, the element of the room, so to speak. And I found this pillow right here. I think it's so cute. I ended up getting this pillow from Home Goods. No, wait a minute. Let's check. Let's see, because I don't want to say the wrong thing. I ended up getting this pillow from Home Goods. It was Home Goods, and I think it is so cute. I got this bunny rabbit right here from Michael's. How cute is this? This is so gorgeous. And let's see, this right here was $34.99. I just had to have it. I saw this bunny rabbit like a week before, and I didn't think that I would have like, you know, like won it, so to speak. And after I was like, you know something, we need to put together some decor for this bed to kind of give it like some, you know, like a spring vibe or even like an Easter feel. And I thought about the bunny rabbit. I'm like, oh my goodness, I seen this in Michael's like literally less than a week ago. Let me go back and grab it. Luckily, there was 3 left by the time I got there. At Target, I keep saying Target. I'm getting all these stores mixed up. Anyway, listen, just bear with me, all right? I ended up getting this 40 ounce. It's called the Voyager. It's this tumbler. Like I said, 40 ounces, so it's really huge. $16.99 at Home Goods. It's made by Hydra Peak, and this is supposed to be really good. Like when you put your drinks in here, like let's say cold drinks or whatever, 24 hours later you go back and it's still cold. I heard a lot of good things about this right here. So of course, hubby had to grab that up. I'm a type of girl where I don't even invest in tumblers anymore like that because I end up not using it and they just sit on the pantry shelf just looking at me. So it doesn't make sense for me to buy a tumbler. The next thing I got from Target was this Swiffer Wet Jet. And trust me, I have 2 puppies, so this right here is needed. They're still like in the potty training phase and it's crazy. But this right here it wasn't even expensive, surprisingly. Couldn't wait to get it. And it's good for finished wood, luxury vinyl tile, which is LVT, and laminate as well. And they have different ones for different types of flooring, which is perfect. This is the disinfectant that goes with it. We got 2 bottles because we're gonna need it. What else? Quace picked up this Suave for Men. It's the Energizing Sport Body and Face Wash, but I know he's not going to use it for his face. Of course, he's going to use it for his body. And this is Bergamot and Wood. It smells really good. This is just the pads to go on the Swiffer Wet Jet to get the job done. And what else do I have? I think that's it basically. When it comes to Zara, let's see what your girl got. I went out there with the intent to find maybe like some spring outfits, like matching sets or whatever, and that did not happen. But what I did get was this suede texture type jacket. It is so cute. I got it in cream. So I got it in this light chocolate brown color. I think it is so cute. These could be worn in the spring and even fall time. Let me see. This is what it looks like. Tie it like that to kind of give it a more feminine take rather than having it look so boxy. You would not guess what size this is. This is actually a small and still has space in the arms. And I tell you right now, if you order this online or online basically, definitely size down at least 2 sizes. Usually I'm a large, and like I said, this is a small and it's still kind of boxy. It has pockets, which is great. The first size that I tried on was a large, of course, and I'm like, wait a minute, the large is too big. Let me try a medium. Wait, the medium is too, am I losing weight? Is my little gym routine working finally? Like, what is going on? I was like so happy. We're not gonna say that it runs big. We're just gonna say that my workout routine is working. And this is the other color, same size, size small. I was gonna press my luck and try on an extra small because I'm like, listen, if the small is fitting, why can't we do the extra small? But I was like, nah, the small looks nice. Same thing, tie the back. I want you to see the bottom, but it reaches me like to the kneecaps, so it's not that long, but it is cute. Definitely. I didn't pick up anything else, and I felt like I got some good stuff in between, of course. But anyway, guys, definitely don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out, and I will catch you in another vlog. Your girl is about to go take a shower, grab a light snack, get in the bed, turn on the TV, watch some YouTube, and that's it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button on your way out, of course, and I will catch you guys in another vlog. I see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.